Today I wanted to give you a quick overview about our product, the PixlMaster. So we have it right here, this screen. You can just go, take your USB-C plug it in here. So now you can see it running in action for the first time. So first you have to install this app, the iDotMatrix app. This is the app where you can control the whole board. It is available for Apple and Android as well. First it will try to connect to a board. And now we can go and turn it on and turn it off. You also have the feature to draw something like this. Then you can see it right here. It's live, so it instantly displays on the PixlMaster board. You can also use pictures and you can use our cloud material. Our cloud material features a lot, and I mean a lot of things. You can see here some random daily things you can put there, like this apple, funny apple. You also have like festival things. You can put Halloween stuff here, Christmas stuff. We have expressions like facial expressions, skeletons, hearts, like this funny frog, for example.
What the dog doing?
Business, so we have a lot of pre-configured stuff here that you can use for free, of course. My favorite feature, you can also upload your own pictures. For example, you can upload your favorite memes. Mine is this one. Are my two favorite memes. You see like this.
What the hell?
Yeah, you can just put your own photos in there. Of course, it's going to be pixelated. This is the one with 32 by 32 pixels. You can also get the 64 by 64 version. Then it's a lot cleaner, of course. You can also use it as a clock. That's a pretty cool feature. You can show the date as well. Then it will switch to another. Yeah, see it here. Switch to another page displaying it. You can do like rainbow things. Like here is RGB coloring scheme. What we also have is you can sync it to your music that you are playing right now, and it will display, like here you see, it will display the music on the screen directly. It's really plug and play. You just plug it in with a USB-C port, you download the app, and then you can just go and have fun with it.